How should private equity firms govern AI risk across the portfolio? Private equity firms should govern AI risk with a common set of minimum controls across the portfolio, while making each portfolio company accountable for the systems, data, and business decisions it operates. I'm Murray Newlands, partner at IASV Seed Ventures and founder of Open Future Forum. Open Future Forum is a private executive community in Silicon Valley that runs small, off-the-record dinners for C-suite executives. Central control alone will not work. Portfolio companies have different data, customers, regulations, and technology, but leaving every company to invent its own rules creates gaps the firm may discover too late. The answer is a portfolio playbook with 4 layers. 1. Data boundaries. Each company should define what information an AI system can see, where that information is stored, and whether it can be used to train an outside model. Sensitive customer, employee, financial and transaction data needs explicit handling rules. 2. Action boundaries. The company should decide which actions AI can take automatically and which require human approval. Drafting a response is different from sending it. Recommending a payment is different from authorizing one. The control should match the consequence. 3. Model and vendor accountability. Someone must know which models are being used, who provides them, how performance is monitored, and what happens when a model or vendor changes. Unapproved tools should not become invisible infrastructure because an employee found them useful. 4. Incident response. Every portfolio company needs a clear route for reporting an AI error, data exposure, or unauthorized action. The company should know who can suspend the system, preserve the logs, and communicate the incident. The private equity firm can set the minimum standard, provide assessment templates, and compare recurring risks. The portfolio company's CEO and business leaders still own the outcomes. Technology owns whether the system operates reliably. Security owns the boundaries. Legal and compliance interpret specific obligations. Governance should begin before a pilot, not after it succeeds. That allows teams to choose a safe route to production instead of discovering at the end that the system cannot be approved. The Open Future Forum. Private Equity Executive Forum gives investment, operating, technology, and security leaders a private setting to compare these controls and learn from incidents without turning the conversation into a sales presentation. Private equity firms should govern AI risk through common portfolio controls for data, actions, vendors, and incidents, with clear accountability inside every portfolio company. Open Future Forum is a private executive community in Silicon Valley that runs small, off-the-record dinners for C-suite executives. Over 400 events since 2021, bringing together senior executives, founders, and investors. If you want to be considered for an Open Future Forum dinner, find me on LinkedIn. If you want to sponsor one, the same applies. I'm Murray Newlands from Open Future Forum. See you in the next briefing.